Hello everyone, I am Shravani. Welcome to my channel The Art Samurai. In this video, I am gonna try with Wali painting which will be on 30 to 30 centimeter canvas. Here I am giving sunset effect, so I'll use yellow, orange and red color. First I'll apply yellow, then orange and lastly red color. If you want to buy the art supplies which I have used in this video, you can check the description box below where I have provided the link of the art products.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I
Now
lay
add a
down
sun
and I
using
play
white paints in the
dead,
center.
baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing
Now let's make a land or surface with brown color.
lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
After that, let's go to our first element of this painting. I'll draw a simple imaginary tree by adding small branches, spiral circles and little leaves.
Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
You can use pen or a brush. If you use brush, it will save your time.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck
Now
in
let's
a vault.
add
I
our
know that
last
time
and the
can
main
heal all, but
element.
I'm
Beside a tree, draw a woman with a pot on her head. Paint her both hands and legs with black color.
But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have
Now
the heart
color
for
the
this. I
pot
can't keep
brown.
picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just
Now
the start
let's
of
go
it?
to her
I
clothes.
wanna drive
Take
away so I
cerulean,
can be so far
persian
from
and
there. I
pastel
wanna
blue
find
for
a place where no
making
one breaks their
pastel blue. Add a
promises, or
little
maybe
blue
drown
in a
myself in
white
something
color.
that is
Merge the
bottomless.
dark
Take
color
me
in the
back
light
to a
color. It
place
will
where
give
I
you a
felt at
nice
home.
effect.
Take me back to a day when we we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how
Now
the
take
story
yellow and
ends,
green
but I
color
can
and
feel
merge
the
them
dance. Don't
together.
know the consequence, the volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Now let's add jewelries with white color for a detailed look. And you can also add details on the pot. Here we are done with our painting. If you want, you can also hang it on a wall. You can also apply varnish for preventing it from dust. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.